pray. I mean, want something where he start helping me for up life bro me. Time where me been one small pequenini, time where me stop below US. Me been heram o talk bro mama mo papa bro me mo get even tell him out lo me say, hey, but you for you must make him pray bro you every morning or every night. From Papa God, him you want them heram every something way stop inside lo hot bro you. Mo way where you make him something him you to do or pray bro you. Mo something way me been come bro look save time way me been stop one small pequenini, cast someone young for the boy, he come on top bro. Now yeah, time way me stop or someone man. Me look say pray and me work. You know on something bro worldly, I mean want something bro Papa God one principle blem ways that help him you me bro come more close up him. When me save say pray and me one important something and me one stand by something. Suppose you want them one help with them work bro you or with them family bro you or with them school bro you. Papa God he save help them you. Mo me want them head them or get the talk way or get the talk yeah. And me want them head them lo you. Suppose you got one pequenini way he stop lo school lo one not a far place. Mo you want them story lehem or one brother or sister. By you ring will get them or story with them will get them. And me same like with them Papa God dear. Mo time way me been stop or someone young for a boy. Me been looks I say yes, will let me strong or get the talk bro will he start killing you me everyone lo day yeah. Mo he hard small bro think about Papa God all time. But one way me been look save lo life bro me. Way me been save come bro save Papa God mo Jesus Christ more good and me through lo pray. When me save say pray me want something way by helping you me stop lo one stamba ground. By you me never save shake suppose you me put them foundation bro or get the foundation bro faith bro you me lo pray. From suppose you start making pray every day. Papa God by look save mo by him sacrum will get the blessing, mo miracle he come to life bro you. Mo me want something way me been look save, time way me been stop lo Vanuatu, mo time way me stop lo US. Me save say me true. Want something way start helping you me everyone. Mo me start in them short testimony bro me, lo name bro Jesus Christ. Amen.